Hey guys, right now we are at Olive Garden, the place you guys have been wanting me to do since I first started TikTok. And we just ordered our food, so let me show you what we got. Okay, so for our appetizer, we got the toasted ravioli, and then breadsticks, of course. I got the chicken and gnocchi soup, and I always put pepper on it, and my mom got pasta fagioli. Oh my goodness. Cheers. Breadstick. Next is the toasted ravioli. Hopefully this will do it justice, but the crunch is amazing. Now with the sauce, it's much better with the sauce. You can taste the Italian herbs. Okay, we just got our entrees and these look amazing. I got the chicken Alfredo with crispy chicken fritta and broccoli, and then she put more like Parmesan cheese on it, like Olive Garden does. This looks amazing. And then my mom got the eggplant Parmesan. I'm not even sure how to attempt to eat this, but this looks so good. Their Alfredo sauce looks magnificent. That chicken is so good. I forgot how good Olive Garden was. I haven't had Olive Garden in how long now? It's been a couple of years.
Yeah, it's been a few years.
Their chicken is so good and crispy. Okay, so my mom and I each gave each other a perfect bite of each other's pasta. Cheers. It is really crunchy. My favorite vegetable is actually broccoli, so I am loving this. Look how big this thing is. This is my hand. Look how good this chicken looks. Cheers. Last bite and then dessert. Okay, so we might have ordered every dessert that they have here, so that's a total of 6 desserts, and I'm really excited to try all of them, but I will see you guys when they all come out. It might be a while. All of the desserts just came in, and here is the first glance at everything. First up is the Italian donuts that come with chocolate sauce and raspberry sauce, I believe. Oh my god, I'm too... Okay, cheers. Oh my god. It's very chewy. It's like when you have a cookie that's like chewy and soft, but it's like very pillowy and it's amazing but just by itself. Okay, now I'm gonna try it with the raspberry sauce. Oh my goodness. Okay, next is the chocolate sauce. Oh my goodness. This is some thick chocolate. Okay, cheers. Oh my god, that is some rich chocolate. To me, raspberry is the best one. It's just more like light and more flavorful. I really like fruity things. This chocolate is very, very rich. It's different than normal chocolate. I think it's maybe like an Italian chocolate or something different than normal milk chocolate. Next is the Italian tiramisu. I just want to bring these forks up. They're like tridents. I don't understand this, but it's like really funny. Okay, let's do this. Cheers. Oh my god. This is so good. The lady fingers like dipped in coffee. Oh my god. This is so good. It's not overly powerful, but it's amazing. Next up is the Italian ricotta cheesecake. This is all my mom's wanting, but I'm like a little, I don't know, I'm nervous because I don't think that ricotta in a cheesecake sounds right. But cheers. Okay, so my mom loves this. I still can't get past the fact that there's ricotta cheese in here, so it's making me like not like it. Okay, next is the strawberry cream cake. I literally have 48 seconds left to do the rest of the desserts and my outro, so let's hurry. It was really good. Second to last is the chocolate brownie lasagna. This one is the one that I wanted to try the most. That is thick and dense. Okay, cheers. This is a one bite dessert and only for chocolate lovers. Okay, last dessert is the black tie mousse cake. I'm gonna take a side bite. Cheers. This is pretty good, just not my first choice. Number one dessert is the Italian donuts. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Bye.